What's up, Broadcast Nation? It's another Friday night test and tune. Well, actually, it's the first Friday night test and tune. Last time was a Saturday because of the weather, but it's supposed to be pretty good tonight, so we're heading out to Marion County Raceway. Unfortunately, it's just going to be me and Jake out here racing tonight. Some unfortunate news is Josh's transmission in the Corvette has started to fail. Third gear is now in neutral, so he's not going to be out here for a while. He's got to get that thing fixed. Hopefully it won't take too long, but I got my Mickey Thompsons on. We're going to see traction is no longer a problem for me, so we'll see you out there. Well, hello there. Welcome to Broadcast Motorsports Ohio. You better strap in. This thing's a little sketchy. Rubber. Well, you know how it is. Gotta get some food. This time, Ronald was calling my name. Well, we made it out to Marion County Raceway. Jake is changing his tires again, and I am letting my car cool down. So we're gonna get out there as soon as we can. Hopefully I can run a little better. See if Jake can finally stop spinning fucking tires.
Or we'll break a half shaft today. Did a test pass earlier and it made a really bad clunk.
Oh, well, that's fun. So, we'll see. Well, Jake made one pass, and then now they told him he can't run his little pizza cutters. So now he's got to put these back on.
Push right there in the pits, bring them up in lanes 11 and 12. Up here, motorcycles and quads, bring them up into lane number 2, lane 2, motorcycles and quads.
94.3, it's your buddy Wayne D, and the Cash is making a comeback.
Unfortunately, I'm a dumbass and forgot to turn on the GoPro, but I raced a U-Haul truck. It was not exciting, but it was funny as fuck, because it was a U-Haul truck. Legitimately said 19 whatever the hell on the side of it per mile, or whatever it says.
1995 a day.
Is it a day?
A day, up to 300 miles.
Oh.
Well. 1995 and you can have a race truck.
Yeah, it's slow as fuck though.
A 6-liter race truck.
No, but they do good donuts.
Wow, focus, whore.
Well, I was also really far.
Wow.
Well, no, this was Matt. This is all Matt's fault.
Oh, wow. Focus.
No, Fiesta.
Alright, well that's the end of the test and tune night here at Larue. My tires kind of helped. I mean, I'm still just running 13s, so at least I ain't slipping.
I did all right tonight. Had to air the tires back up, a little too low. I got the clutch and stuff, and everything should be here at the house tomorrow, so I'll start putting that in, and hopefully that new clutch does really good.
Yeah, I'm hoping that my trans coolers that I'm going to put on really help. Maybe I can run some more passes. We do apologize for the lack of footage on this one. You know, somebody named Matt is a bitch and doesn't know how to use a camera. Yeah, that guy. Does he look like he knows how to use a camera?
Nope. Well, he also did a little babysitting for me too, so.
Don't defend him.
You guys should have got the video of that Mustang.
But the one thing that I miss the most of tonight is Josh. I miss you, Josh. Come back soon.
Yes, please fix the Corvette.
Fast.
Well, until next time, keep off those jack stands and stay broke, folks.
Bye, guys.
On behalf of all of us here at Broke Ass Motorsports Ohio, we'd like to thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our video, please let us know by leaving a like or comment on our video. If you're new and would like to stay up to date on things, please subscribe or follow us on our social medias. The links to those will be in the description down below.